Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect your business email to your Gmail address. And this process is same for every other hosting services. Doesn't matter whether you use SiteGround, GoDaddy, Hostinger or HostGator. So for every hosting services, this process is same. So first of all, let's go and create our business email address. So here, you can see that my domain name is unipixel.com. So this is my hosting provider. And here, if I now go down, here you can see email account. So I'm going to click on it. And here it will take me another page. And here you can see create button. I'm going to click on it, create. And here you can see it is showing me the domain. And here we need to give the username. You can give over here support, or you can also give your own name. So I'm going to say over here Yamin. So the business email will be yamin@unipixel.com. And here you can see set password now. So we are going to give a password. So let's say the password will be yamin@2028. So this is the password and you need to remember this password. So just copy this password and just put it inside a notepad because we are going to use this password later. After that, just go down and here you can see create option. So I'm going to click over here, create, and there you can see the business email is created. So right now we need to set up this business email with our Gmail. So right now what you need to do is that you just need to log into your certain Gmail that you want to connect with your business email address. So here I am currently in this email address. So I'm going to show you the email, which is this one. And here after logging to your email, you will see this gear icon or this setting icon. So here you need to click on this setting, then click over here, see all settings. Then here you will see account and import. So you need to click on this option, then go down and here you can see check mail from other accounts. So you need to click on it. Here you can see add a mail account. So just click on it and it will show you something like this. So here the email address will be this one, yamin@unipixel.com. So just copy this and you need to paste it over here. Then click on next and here you can see import emails from my other account POP3. So now click on next. So it will take you over here. So right now what you need to do is that here you can see connect device. So I'm going to click on this button. Then we'll go down and here you can see we have some information. So depending on this information, we need to fill up this form. So here what will be the username? Username will be this one, yamin@unipixel.com. So we are going to say over here yamin@unipixel.com. After that, here we need to give the password and the password is this one. Here you can see yamin@2028. So we'll copy it and paste it here, and what will be the POP server email address, which will be this one. Here you can see mail@unipixel.com. So this will be the POP server address. Okay, and here you can see port number. Port number will be 995. So we are going to select 995. And here you will see for check option, checkbox. So we are going to select this one and this one, the middle two, and the first and last one will not select those. Okay. After that, we are going to click over here, add account. And then yes, I want to be able to send mail as yamin@universal.com. Then click on next. And here you need to give your name. So I'll suggest you you can give your own name, or you can also say over here support. So this name will show to the user whenever someone is trying to send you a mail. Okay, so you can leave your own name over here, that's fine as well. After that, just check those and then click over here next step, and there you can see so SMTP server will be unipixel.com and the username will be yamin@unipixel.com, and the password you need to give the password again. So let me just copy the password and paste it over here. So right now what will be the port number? Here you can see the port number will be this one, 465. So we're going to say over here 465. Then click over here add account, and there you can see congratulations, we have successfully located your server. So right now let me just go to my Gmail and I should receive a mail over here, and sometime it may take like 30 seconds. And here you can see I have already received a Gmail confirmation over here. So here you will see a link, so you need to click on this link and then click over here confirm, and there you can see confirmation success. So right now here if you go to our Gmail, on the left side here you can see yamin@unipixel.com, and just click on it, and here you need to click on this link again, click over here confirm, and it's done. So right now just click on inbox, and right now click on compose, and here you can see the mail. So you need to select a mail. So I'm going to select this mail, yamin@unipixel.com. So I'll send my mail to this email. Let's give a subject test, and the body will be test. Then click over here send. Okay, it is not sending the data. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to close this, and let me just go to the setting again, and then click over here see all setting, click over here account and imports, and here you can see send mail as. So I'm going to click over here edit info. I'm going to click over here next step. Let's keep the password over here, paste the password, then click over here save changes. Sometime you need to modify this again to send or receive email. So let's try to send mail again. So let's click on compose, choose the mail, give the email address over here. Let's say over here subject test, body test, click on send, and there you can see it is sent. So right now if I now click on send, here you can see where I want to successfully send a message to this email address. So yeah, this is how you can set up your business email to Gmail. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.